Now we are going to discuss question number 5.4, and in this question it is given to you a short bar magnet of magnetic moment small m equal to 0.32 joule per Tesla is placed in a uniform magnetic field of value, this is 0.15 Tesla. If the bar is free to rotate in a plane of field, okay fine, which orientation could correspond to its stable and unstable equilibrium? Clear? So whenever you will find this type of term, stable equilibrium or unstable equilibrium, it means this question is related to potential energy of this dipole. Clear? Or we can say potential energy of this short dipole. Clear? So first let us try to understand concept of this question. After that we will find here answer of part number A, stable and unstable equilibrium. Clear? And we also calculate here potential energy in each case. Clear? So now consider. Let's suppose I am assuming magnetic, this is uniform magnetic field, and uniform magnetic field is in this direction. Clear? Let's suppose I am taking here a short, we can say, let's suppose this is a short dipole, we can say this is short, we can say bar magnet. Clear? And I am assuming this is north pole and this one is south pole. Clear? Now definitely you know, if we are talking about this is the line of axis, or we can say this is magnetic axis. Clear? So magnetic field and magnetic axis is making some angle. So let's suppose I am saying this is a direction of magnetic moment, you can say, and this angle is theta. Clear? So now we know potential energy expression for potential energy, this is given by, definitely you know what is the derivation, you know very well, but I am directly writing here expression. So expression of potential energy, this is given by mb. I can say this is cos theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. Now listen carefully, this theta 1 I am taking, this is equal to theta. Clear? But I am actually taking here reference, this is perpendicular to magnetic field. Clear? It means you can say if I am talking about theta 2, so this theta 2 is 90. Now you can say, sir, why you are taking reference at 90 degree? Because let's suppose if I am bringing north pole from infinity to a certain point, and we are bringing south pole from that infinity to a certain point. Let's suppose we are assuming, so if we total calculate here time, so total time taken, let's suppose if we are talking about this north pole, definitely we have to apply here some force against the repulsive forces. Clear? And here we have to apply some force against attractive forces, so that both poles it may move with the constant velocity. Yes or no? It means we can say if we are talking about net work done we always find at a position perpendicular to this magnetic field always 0. Clear? It means we can see here, that's why we are taking this reference at 90 degree. Clear? So now if I put here this value, I can write like this, potential energy expression, this is given by mb cos 90 minus, I can say this is cos theta. Clear? Now we know value of cos 90 0, so we can write like this, potential energy expression, this one is given by mb cos of theta. Clear to you? Or you can also write like this, potential energy, this is given by minus times of m dot b. Clear? Now if I talk about stable equilibrium, clear, I am now talking about part number A. So for stable equilibrium, the potential energy should be minimum. Yes or no? So if I am talking about stable equilibrium, I can say expression of potential energy, this should be minimum. Clear? So when expression of potential energy is minimum, I can say this is possible only when theta equal to 0. Clear? We can say when theta equal to 0, it means what is actually diagram. How can we draw here the diagram or position of a stable equilibrium? I can say, let's suppose this is a direction of magnetic field. Clear? And I am taking here this short dipole like this. Clear? Here we have a north and this one is south. Clear? And definitely we can see direction of magnetic moment is also in the same direction, that is m. Clear? At that time you will find there is a 0 angle between magnetic dipole moment and magnetic field. Clear to you? So from here we can write here expression of potential energy, and this potential energy is minimum, and I can say this is mb cos of 0. Clear? Value of cos 0 we have 1. So minimum potential energy we can write like this. This is minus times of mb. Clear? Now you can put here value of m and b. You can calculate value of potential energy. Clear? So now concentrate. Yes. Now concentrate. So if I write here all the values, potential energy minimum, this one is given by minus m. M is given to you, yes, 0.32, and it is multiplied with, I can say b. B is what? Magnetic field. Magnetic field value we have 0.15. Clear? From here we can write like this. This is 32 by 100 and multiplied with, we can say 15 divided by 100. Clear? So we can say if you multiply, this is 0, we have 3, and we can say 48 divided by 10 to the power 4. Clear? From here you can say this is 10 to the power 3, or you can also write like this. This is minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2, and we can say this is joule. Clear? So I can say minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule potential energy we are getting, and this is a condition of stable equilibrium. Clear? So if somebody asks to you what is a condition of stable equilibrium, so when this short dipole, when bar magnet is aligned like this, that the angle between magnetic moment and the magnetic field is 0. This is a position of stable equilibrium. Now why we are saying this is stable equilibrium? So let's suppose if you disturb this bar magnet from this position to this position, at that time you can say actually you are disturbing in anti-clockwise direction, but we can say the restoring torque is acting in clockwise direction, and it will always try to restore this position. Clear? That's why we are saying this is stable equilibrium. Clear to you? Now if I talk about, listen carefully. Now if I talk about we can say if we talk about position of unstable equilibrium. Clear? If I am talking about unstable equilibrium, now you know very well potential energy expression, this is given by minus mb cos of theta. Clear? Minus mb cos of theta. So now let's suppose situation is like this. I am saying here this is a uniform magnetic field in this direction. Clear? And I am taking here, let's suppose this is a bar magnet, we have here this is north and this one is south. Clear? And I am saying here this is a value of m. Clear? This is a direction of magnetic field. So actually what is angle between m and b here? That is 180 degree. Yes or no? So from here we can say, we can write like this, potential energy, here you will find maximum potential energy, and this is equal to minus mb cos of, I can say this is 180 degree. Clear? And you can also say this is a condition of unstable equilibrium. Now you can say, sir, why this is unstable equilibrium? So let us try to understand. Let's suppose I am taking this is a b. Clear? And let's suppose if I draw here, this is bar magnet. Let's suppose this is bar magnet. I am saying this one is north, this one is south. Clear? Now let's suppose you disturb this bar magnet in a anti-clockwise direction like this. Clear? And now this bar magnet is placed in a magnetic field. Now you can say, sir, force is acting now on a north pole in this direction, and for the south pole this is acting in this direction. Clear? So actually you displace this bar magnet in anti-clockwise direction, and force due to this uniform magnetic field, this is also in an anti-clockwise direction. So as you leave this bar magnet, at the time it will never come to its original position. Actually where it is going actually, it is trying to attain the position of stable equilibrium. Clear to you? So from here we can see, we can write like this, this is given by minus mb, and we can say this is minus 1. Clear? So from here we can write like this, this is equal to plus mb. Clear? So I can say maximum potential energy, this one is given by we can say plus mb. Clear? So one question is very popular. Yes, definitely this question is now completed, but one question is very important. Let's suppose if we want to move this dipole from condition of stable equilibrium to unstable equilibrium. What I am saying to you, let's suppose if I want to change position of this dipole from stable equilibrium to unstable equilibrium, what is the total amount of external work is to be done? Clear? So now we can write like this, net work done, we can say this is equal to change in potential energy, we can say U final minus U initial, we can say this is MB minus MB. Clear? So from here you can say this is plus twice of MB, and this is my student very important question. Clear? So total we have to provide here twice of MB work. Clear to you? Now you can put here all the values, that is plus MB we are writing here. So value of M, this is given to you 0.32, and multiply we can say this is 0.15. Clear? So definitely you will get again same value, but we are getting this value in positive. So 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Clear to you? So this is all about this question.